Howdy, y'all. Now just check out this beautiful scenery. Beep, 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 beep.
Ooh, my nose is running. It's cold up here.
Driving along middle of nowhere in Nevada. Cold but breathtaking. Here we are coming up on the Clown Motel, the infamous Clown Hotel, Tonopah, Nevada. Now we're gonna park in here for a moment. We're gonna go inside in a moment. We're gonna take a little walk in the office. First, let's check out this old historic cemetery. First Tonopah Cemetery, 1901 to 1911. Buried here are many of Tonopah's pioneer residents, including 14 victims of the Tonopah Belmont mine fire back in February 22nd, 1922, as well as many victims of Tonopah's tragic plague. Now there's some babies buried in here, as well as some of the early prostitutes. And there's a sheriff buried here too, or maybe two. Right here lies Mr. Tom Logan, sheriff and businessman, died in April 1906. He died by gunfire, shot and killed in front of the Jewel Saloon down there on Lower Main Street in Manhattan, Nevada, leaving behind a wife and 8 children. Now remember that famous Clown Motel we was talking about a few minutes back? Well, let's take a walk on inside the office. Oh, free coffee. Let's see now. Oh my Lord, have you ever seen so many clowns? I'm a mite scared, y'all. Now looky here, this one. Ooh, is she poking out of the corner? Oh my God, it's a baby one. Who here has a fear of clowns? Well, maybe not Ronald McDonald. Hey, don't forget your mask. There's still COVID lurking around in here. I should have worn my glasses. It's 4:20 in here. Okay, I'm getting a little mite creeped out in here now. I think it's time to step outside. Okay, that was a nice leg stretcher. Now it's time to get on down to Reese Hot Springs, y'all. We're gonna drive through Tonopah, past the Mizpah Hotel. Check out Wonderhussy. I think she did a piece on that one. It's a historic hotel. She actually stayed inside and reviewed it. Well, what do you know? Tesla was here. It's a real neat town. Look at some interesting stuff along the way. Now check this house out right here. Well, that was a neat one. Let's get to that hot spring, y'all. I want to soak.
Well, gas is cheaper here in Carver. There's not much here, but a little down in the mountains.
This is the source of the Reese Valley Hot Spring. Coming out of there at 130 degrees, y'all. Don't fall in.
Mountain here, and it flows down to that little tub that you can sit in.
Oh, there it is. There's the pool now. Let's go over and check it on out. Here's the bird's eye view. And our campsite for the next couple days.
It's a little cloudy, but still a good place to sit, and you can take the clothes in there.
Okay, y'all, there's 3 more in the series. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and hit the bell for more adventures, if you would be a dear.